Go be fierce and flourish. Sounds like a great idea, right? But how are we going to do it? Because if any one of you in this room fails to achieve what you are capable of because of the voices in your head, because of just everyday anxiety, because of overwhelm, because of any of these negative self-talk, that's one too many for me. Your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values, they write your life story and your legacy. You need to choose powerful statements for yourself and then go be those statements. Go do those statements. Go live those statements out. That's what gives you confidence. The thoughts you choose. Gratitude, affirmations. With those two things, you can change the world. And that's the point.